Pakikita ko na lang ulit mamaya, ha? I-drawingan ko muna siya ng mga lines. So, from pyruvate, pupunta siya ngayon. Pyruvate will then be converted instantly into OAA. Okay? It will be converted into OAA instantly. Ito yung pyruvate mo kasi. Pyruvate. It will be converted into OAA. Pa siya mako-convert into pyruvate. Okay? We have the enzyme. Okay? Kailangan niya ng ticket. Okay? Kasi di ba, tignan nyo, 3 carbon siya. 1, 2, 3. Tapos naging 4. So, kailangan niya ng carbon. So, kabaliktaran lang ng decarboxylation, we need carboxylation. So, the enzyme in this process is your pyruvate carboxylase. Okay, carboxylase. This enzyme adds a carbon. Okay, adds a carbon dioxide. Okay, binalik niya lang yung carbon dioxide. Yan. Tapos, so, naging OAA na siya. Okay, naging OAA na siya, nadagdagan ng carbon eh. So, 4 na yung carbons niya. Tapos, if you remember that this process, yung malate to OAA is reversible naman siya. Nababalik siya. Okay? So, babalik lang siyang malate. Magiging malate siya. Kasi, this malate, itong substrate na to, it is the only one that is capable of lodging out to your mitochondria. Makakalabas to si malate sa mitochondria. Okay? So, nandito na siya ngayon. Sa labas na siya. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your malate. Okay? Pero, once na nakalabas na si malate, okay? Kumbaga, ano lang niya na to? Disguised. Disguised niya lang yan. Kasi, pagkalabas ng malate, babalik na ulit into OAA. Magiging OAA na ulit siya. Okay? Tapos, from OAA, di ba naalala nyo, meron siyang carbon kanina. Itong carbon dioxide na yan, that serves as the ticket. Okay? That serves as the ticket. Kasi si OAA will be converted into PEP directly. Umikot lang siya, napapansin nyo, di ba umikot? Para lang makabalik siya sa taas. Okay? Si OAA mako-convert into PEP, your phosphoenol pyruvate. Pero in this process, okay, carbon dioxide will be released. Okay? Kasi bakit? Naging 3 na lang yung carbon, no? Di ba? Tapos, nagkaroon ng kinase. So, we need an enzyme that decarboxylase and adds an enzyme. Okay? And adds an enzyme. So, what is that enzyme? Okay? We have what you call sulat ko na lang i-abbreviate ko na lang. Madadagdagan din ng phosphate dito. Okay, phosphate. So yung enzyme na to is your phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase. Phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase. Okay? Phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase. Okay? PepCK2 nga yan eh. PepCK2 kasi nilagay niya sa second carbon. So anyways, from Pep, bibilisan ko na lang kasi para tapos na. Mabilis na naman to, basta mag-gets niyo yung glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Okay, so umikot siya, di ba? From lactic acid, naging pyruvate. Ito siya. So ito siya. Naging pyruvate. Yan, pagka-pyruvate, na-convert siya into OAA with the enzyme pyruvate carboxylase. Nag-add tayo ng carbon, tapos na-convert siya into malate, lumabas siya sa mitochondria. Tapos, naging OAA. Then, OAA will be converted into phosphoenol pyruvate with the enzyme phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase. In this process, carbon dioxide is released. Okay? And phosphate is added. So, from here, aakyat na yan. From PEP, 2PG, 3PG, 1,3-BPG, GA3P, then fructose, 1,6-bisphosphate. Tapos na-meet niyo ulit yung red line. Yan yung hindi pwede bumalik pataas ng diretso. Okay? So meron tayong enzyme dyan. Luckily, our body creates this enzyme. Your fructose I-abbreviate ko na lang, bisphosphatase. Okay, bisphosphatase yan, BPASE. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase. Okay? This enzyme, this enzyme is capable of converting fructose 1,6-bisphosphate into fructose 6-phosphate. Okay? So, let's say na nag-convert na siya. Nag-convert na siya into fructose 6-phosphate. Pag-convert niya into fructose 6-phosphate, naalala nyo, may red line din dito kanina eh. P6P cannot go back to your bloodstream as glucose 6-phosphate. Kailangan glucose siya. Okay? So, after that, fructose 6-phosphate, bumalik siya into glucose 6-phosphate. Kailangan muna matanggal natin tong phosphate para maging glucose siya ulit. Okay? Wait lang, tingnan battery ko. 8%. Okay, wait. Okay. So, nasa glucose 6-phosphate na tayo. Okay? This is your T1, yung red, T1 yan, and blue is your T2. Okay? And this enzyme, yung yellow, ang pangalan nito ay si G6 phosphatase. Okay? Glucose 6-phosphatase. Madali lang tandaan, di ba? Ang mga patase-patase na yan, yan yung nagtatanggal ng phosphate. Okay? Kasi tingnan mo dito si fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, kailangan ng enzyme na fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase to remove the phosphate. So naging fructose 6-phosphate siya, tapos naging glucose 6-phosphate. Pero para matanggal si glucose 6-phosphate, this particular, yung kulay green na to, this is your smooth ER. Okay? Nasa loob to ng cell, ha? Nasa smooth ER yan. Isa itong organelle. Okay? Sa itong organelle, smooth ER. So, ang gagawin ngayon ni ano dyan, ni glucose 6-phosphate, papasok siya dito. Okay? Pagpapasok niya dyan, nandyan siya. Okay? Tapos meron siyang phosphate dito. Okay? Tapos, dadaan siya sa enzyme na to. Okay? Tapos lalabas siya. Pagkalabas niya, itong enzyme kasi na to, si glucose 6-phosphatase, tatanggalin niya yung phosphate. So, magiging glucose na siya ulit. Diba? So, nasa labas na siya. This is your bloodstream. Yun. Yan lang. Ganyan lang kasimple ang gluconeogenesis. Pero that's just lactic acid. Meron pa tayong dalawa. Amino acid and triglycerides. Pero sobrang dali lang yan. Sobrang dali lang yan. This triglycerides kasi, triglycerides contains two components. Itong bilog na yan, itong bilog, this is your glycerol. Glycerol. Tapos itong tatlong to, this is your fatty acids. Okay? Tapos, mahati yan. Yan yung tinatawag na lipolysis kanina. Pag nasira yan, yung triglycerides, it will be divided into two, glycerol and fatty acids. Okay? So, mahati. Ito yung glycerol. Ito yung fatty acids. Okay? Yung buntot. Okay? So, fatty acids, glycerol. Okay? Ang tawag dyan is your lipolysis. Okay? Madali lang yan. Si glycerol, naalala niyo si DAP? Ito si DAP. Kaya ko siya nilagay dyan. Kasi, mako-convert siya into DAP instantly with the enzyme glycerol kinase. Nag-add lang ng phosphate. Nag-add ng phosphate sa process na to. Tapos naging DAP. Diba? So, from DAP, aakyat na siya. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase, naging fructose 6-phosphate, tapos naging glucose 6-phosphate, and then glucose 6-phosphate will go to your smooth ER, go to your glucose 6-phosphatase outside P2, and go through your GLUT2 transporter. Okay? So, yan siya. Pero si fatty acids naman, meron pang isa. Madali lang din ito. Pwede siyang dumiretso. Okay. Pwede siyang dumiretso sa acetyl coenzyme A with a process called beta oxidation. So of course, kapag yung acetyl coenzyme A na yan, naka-acetyl coenzyme na, ikot na siya ulit ganun. Tapos from malit, gano'n na, OAA, akyat. Okay? And lastly, we have your amino acids. Okay? Si amino acids naman, Di ba amino acids is the building blocks of protein? So this is your protein, yan no? Protein to. Siyempre, sisirain mo na yan ang katawan mo para maging isa-isa. So amino acids na lang. Okay? So si amino acids, maraming pathway na pagdaan yan. Pwede siyang maging pyruvate, di ba? Okay? Pwede siyang maging pyruvate, okay? Pwede siyang maging acetyl coenzyme A, ay, wala. Okay? Pwede siyang maging acetyl coenzyme A, pwede siyang maging alpha ketoglutarate, di ba? Tapos pwede rin siyang maging succinyl coenzyme A. Yan. Tapos from there, mga intermediates ng alam niyo na, iikot na siya. Pagdating ng malate, di ba? You get the point. Pagdating ng malate, aakyat ulit, magiging mako-convert into OAA, facilitate ng PepCK, mako-convert into PEP, tapos aakyat, pagkaakyat, convert into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, tapos kailangan mo ng enzyme na fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase para ma-convert yung fructose 1,6-bisphosphate into fructose 6-phosphate. And fructose 6-phosphate, pwede siyang bumalik into glucose 6-phosphate. Okay? And glucose 6-phosphate cannot go back to GLUT2 kasi meron pa siyang phosphate eh. Kailangan niya tanggalin yung phosphate na yan. Saan? Sa smooth ER. Kapasok niya sa smooth ER, babanggain siya ng glucose 6-phosphatase, lalabas siya ng T2, then wala na siyang phosphate, so makakalabas na siya ng bloodstream. So that's your gluconeogenesis. Di ba? Kaya sinaglit ko lang yung gluconeogenesis. Mas matagal yung dalawa kasi pag naintindihan mo tong dalawa, okay, these two, this gluconeogenesis is really easy. Yan lang siya. Anong enzyme lang tatandaan mo? Pyruvate carboxylase, nag-a-add siya ng carbon. Pyruvate to OAA. PepCK, OAA to PEP. Nag-add ng phosphate, nag-release ng carbon. Okay? Sa glycerol, sa triglycerides naman, glycerol, didikit sa phosphate with the enzyme glycerol kinase to have a DHA3P. Then DHA3P will go up there. Okay? Tapos si fructose 1,6-bisphosphate naman, we have fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase. Tapos sa loob ng smooth ER, we have your glucose 6-phosphatase. Okay? So, any questions before I end the meeting, guys? This is your gluconeogenesis and this is your metabolic pathway. Okay, questions? Ano yun? Abarques?
So, pwede mo po sa isang distribution po na.
Ha?
Pwede mo po isang po yung isang nandun po sa one.
Hindi kita maintindihan. Sorry. Ulit. Or you can chat. Try mo i-chat sa Hindi kita maintindihan talaga. Sorry. Ano yun, Gregorio?
Sir, pwede po bang pa-upload po agad nung recorded video po ng meeting?
Oo, meron yan. Kahit sa LMS natin meron. Meron na akong recorded na ganito talaga na discuss ko dati sa ibang klase. Okay, so if you want to watch, kasi baka may nasabi ako doon na hindi ko nasabi dito, try nyo lang. Or may nasabi ako dito na hindi ko nasabi doon. So, yeah. Basically, ito naman siya lahat. Tapos hanggang dito yung prelim natin, hanggang dito sa gluconeogenesis. Okay? Ang prelim exam natin hanggang dito sa gluconeogenesis. So basically, tinapos na natin yung prelim nyo in one meeting. Okay? And ngayon pala, ano yun, Gregorio?
Sir, sa quiz po ba next meeting, kasama na din po ba yan? Or yung pa rin yun? Yung central dogma po? Or kasama pa rin?
I-announce
Kasama na
ko
po yan.
i-announce ko kung ano yung mga quiz nyo. Okay, i-announce ko muna kasi nagbago-bago yung mga timeline dahil sa mga walang pasok eh. I-announce ko na lang sa GC. Okay. Tapos, ang gagawin natin ngayon, I will post a homework. Okay, isend ko rin sa GC nyo. Then, class rep, nandyan ka? Class rep.
Yes po, sir.
Okay, later, I will magsisend ako ng dalawang activity sa GC nyo. Then, I want you to create a Google Drive link for each of those activity. Okay? Kumbaga, doon sila magsasubmit. No, ano ba? Isasubmit ng mga klase mo sa'yo sa Google Drive link. Tapos kapag nakapag-submit na lahat, then ibigay mo sa akin yung Google Drive link for the homeworks. Gagawin ko na lang siyang homework kahit na seat work naman siya. Okay? This is just an essay activity and you can use internet, but of course, you have to cite your references. Okay? So, ipopost ko na lang sa GC, hindi sa LMS. Okay? So, class rep, pa-prepare ako ng dalawang Google Drive link kasi dalawang seat work ito. Okay, so any more questions before I end the meeting, guys?
Sir, excuse me po. Yung drive link po ba
Okay.
through PM ko na lang po isa-send sa inyo?
Yeah, PM na lang.
Sige po, thank you.
Okay. Sige. Any more questions before I end the meeting, guys? Okay, the recorded meeting will be posted or you can actually just come back to our Teams messenger para makita nyo agad. Okay, pero ipopost ko rin naman. Okay, so okay, Gregorio,
Sir, yung
stop share
deadline
muna
po,
ako.
sir, yung deadline po ng activity, kailan po?
Ano ko until tomorrow ng 12 midnight.
Okay po, thank you po.
Okay, until tomorrow ng 12 midnight. Okay, any more questions, guys? Okay, let me just screenshot this meeting. Tapos, magtatawag ako sa mga hindi pa natawag kanina, ha? Baka nandito na. Wait. Hmm. Okay. Okay, let me roll call again. Exit ko. Okay, nandito na ba si Bondo?
Yes po, sir.
Bondo. Okay, Borja.
Yes po, sir. I'm present po.
Cardenas.
Dito na po.
Cortez. De Guzman. Wala. Dizon.
Present po.
Okay. Galvez.
Present po.
Galvez. Okay.
Present po.
Power. Okay. Nandito na ba si Tumbagahan?
Andito po.
De Guzman, nandyan na? Wala. Okay. So, you have one absent. Anyways. Okay. So, thank you all for attending the meeting. Okay, so I will see you on Thursday. Okay. Okay, ito i-announce ko na rin pala. Set ko na. Na-set ko na. Sige. For Thursday, you will be having a quiz for quiz, two quizzes. Ah, carbohydrates kanina, kayong carbohydrates until Krebs cycle lang. Okay? Nakukuha? Any questions para malinaw? You will be having two quizzes. Yung unang quiz nyo is for carbohydrates only. Then yung pangalawang quiz is pinaghalong glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Okay? Yes? Pero,
Sir, bali po yung coverage ng quiz sa Thursday is yung mga ni-lesson lang po ngayon. How about po yung lesson 1 which is about DNA po?
oo nga pala, no? Di pa pala nakapag-quiz dun, no? Sige, sama na natin. Since tapos naman na yung ano, basta eto, magka-quiz kayo, meron kayong breaks in between. Okay, mare-review nyo naman. Okay, mare-review nyo. So, 3 quizzes pala. Nucleic acids, carbohydrates, and also your at glycolysis and TCA. Okay? Ang pinakahuli yung quiz is yung gluconeogenesis, pero that's on Tuesday. Next Tuesday. Yes, tumbagahan.
Good day po, sir. Ask ko lang po, ano po yung quiz type po natin dun sa 3 quizzes po?
Multiple choice lahat ng quiz nyo. Okay, multiple choices lahat ng quiz nyo. Okay, and 15 items each. Okay, so it is very easy. Okay, so okay lang kayo mag-quiz ng 3. Kayo mag-alala.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay. So, any more questions before I end? Okay, oh, it was almost 5 hours meeting. Yes, Kero?
Sir, ano daw po level ng quiz?
Level 1 to 3 lang.
Thank you po.
Okay. Okay, any more questions before we go? Lobat na ako. Okay, so if no more questions, then everyone, thank you for attending the class. Okay, so see you on the campus next Thursday. See you. I'll end the recording now. Bye, goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you po.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank
Thank you
Thank
po.
you.
Thank you po.
Bye, thank you. Hey.